I'll show you how we can add chart, a graphic. For that, I'm going to create a new band, insert, unbound. Let's move it to up and more up level. Here we have chart, as you see, drag and drop. It is asking us the fields, which fields you want to show in this chart and what kind of chart will you use. For that, we need to add series. Here we have options, many kinds of charts are here listed. I'll choose the basic one, which is bar. You can customize this view. For instance, when I choose this text, you can play with its font, 14 and bold. I'll come back to settings page again, resize. Now, let's create some data source for this chart. Right click, manage queries. We are going to add a new one for chart. I have an idea. We can make average unit costs per each categories. So let's write the SQL query for that. I'm going to use my own SQL editor. Select from and as you see, our SQL query is ready. I will use this, copy, paste, next. Let's give a name, my chart data. Okay, here you see our new data source is ready. To assign it with the chart, choose the chart, click here, run designer. To assign our fields to this chart, click series, data, then open my chart data. As you see, our fields are here. Move category to argument field, and average unit costs, move it to value. That's it, we are ready. Let's test. Preview. Oh my god, too many bars. Let's change our query because we need to decrease them. To decrease our data, I'll add here top 10. Top 10 records. Okay, and try one more time. Let's make it more or less. Also, I can remove this because we have here only one series. For that, click here, run the designer, choose this, and visibility. Remove it. Okay. Manage queries. Top 6. Okay, okay. Finish. Okay. Preview. That's it. I want to show you how we can add parameters into our report. Sometimes we need this to show some specific data, not the all, or another reason maybe our data to show maybe too much. We may have large data and we may need to filter it before the running our report code, because sometimes this may cause timeout. Let's start. In my example, let's say here we have the categories, starts from 0 to it goes up. I want to say let's filter our categories by a text. For that, come to this part, right click, add parameter, change the description, search by category. This will be a string. Default value will be nothing, expression nothing. Okay. I'll say this par. Okay. And we need to change our query, by the way. We will add a new condition to our query. where name like at par. This is our new parameter. Next, in this screen, we should define what at par is. We are going to assign it with this par. Here you see, at the par in the report is a string and it's an expression coming from our parameter. If we write here something, this is static. This will be static, but in case you choose expression, now it is coming from our parameter. Finish. Okay. Preview. And as you see, the report is asking us the parameter before the running report. For instance, motor submit. As you see, the text including motors, here you see. If I remove all, search, all of them. By the way, you can increase these parameters as much as you want. It's up to you. This was my first video and I'm going to prepare similar videos later on. My name is Ali Çakıl. Thank you for watching.